Hi, everyone. Welcome to February 22nd to 28th. I just want to go over a few things. To begin with, we're going to resume our discussions about diet and nutrition. There is another Ed puzzle here, which is a listening practice. And then after that, there is a reading. I'm just going to open that and show you. So it's on veganism. And so you'll read about what that means. And then at the bottom are the tasks. So task one, there's some questions. Task two, you have to fill in the blanks. Okay, and that's all you need to do. You don't need to download the worksheet. Okay, so that's from the reading on veganism. And then there's a documentary. So I'm going to just show it to you. And it's from the CBC website, and the program is called The Nature of Things. So the narrator is a famous local scientist named David Suzuki, who some of you may know. So you're going to watch the movie, and it does have commercials. So I don't want you to watch the whole video. I just want you to watch the first two segments. So if I click on it, you'll see here, it's going to come up.
Heroic effort deserves.
Oh, it's not showing, but basically at the bottom you'll see little markings, and I just want you to watch the first two sections of the video, and then the last part we'll watch in class, and we'll do a listening practice with that section. All right, so going back, the questions for the documentary are here. Unfortunately, this week you're going to need to print out a few things. So you need a printer, and you need to print the questions for the documentary. You also, very important, you need to print the assessment reading. Now, it is possible that you don't print these and just write it on, but make sure the paper is standard sized. So printer size with your name and all the questions clearly marked and the answers clearly written. Okay, but I would prefer that you write your answers on the printouts from the computer. So print these out, the questions for the documentary and the assessment. You'll see here I say give yourself 1 hour to complete the assessment, and don't use your dictionaries. So I would like you to, try to understand the vocabulary from the sentence, from the context of the text. Okay, and then bring it with you on Saturday, and bring the questions with you on Saturday. There's some vocabulary here also from the documentary, and there's a discussion on the documentary. You could do those before you do the assessment. Next is the potluck, just a few things about the vegan potluck. So you're going to have to go online and just maybe look at some vegan recipes. If you're not familiar with vegan cooking, you might need to look it up, and then bring something to share to the potluck, which we will have on next Saturday at lunchtime. Okay, so if any questions about any of that, let me know. And oh, sorry, on the side here is a video. You've probably watched it because I posted it last week, but this is important because we are going to be doing a discussion. And so this shows what language you use when you're having a discussion. So we'll be practicing also leading a discussion, but we'll talk more about that on Saturday. All right, everybody, have a great week.